Gwenny, do you want to go Bye Buzz and get your hair done? Yes, you do? Does that mean yes? You do want to get your hair done? I think you just want to go for a car ride. Yes? Yes? Sneezing means yes. She came up with that on her own. But you don't know we're going to the groomers. Did you just get your hair done? You want a cookie for being a good girl and getting your hair done? Do you want a cookie? Yes? A cookie? Okay, I'm going to go give you a cookie, okay? Say yes. Say yes. Yes. She sneezes and it means yes. Right, Granny? I don't know why, but that's just what you decided means yes. Ride. Yes? Yes? Say yes. Yes.
When you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. When you're laughing, the sun comes shining through. But when you're crying, you bring on the rain. So stop your sighing, be happy again, keep on smiling. 'Cause when you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you.